But I don't know if you know this, the indigenous community of Taiwan is about 2.5% of the whole population, if I'm not mistaken. The thing with this is a bit of a double-edged sword, right? Because you come here.
Can we really pursue the policy of lustration? Clearly can't keep people off. No.
A library there, like you can also study there, so you can not only study but also have a good view.
Yeah, highly recommended. It is very quiet, and also there are meeting rooms. You can rent it, and you can read or play video game. Yeah, I often play video game. This is our main library, aka Zhongzhen Library, and this is named after our great leader Jiang Kai-shek.
If you have some more questions about like course details, you can just email Lexi or let us know. We'll let her know. Yes. Yes. Good luck with that. 加油!
加油，一起加油吧！ Bye bye. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Bye bye.